Hi, my name is Heidi Skurat Harris, and I'm the Graduate Coordinator in the Department of Rhetoric and Writing at the University of Arkansas at Little Rock. Today I'm going to share some strategies with you that use less student time to more fully support mobile users. According to UNESCO data, more than 1.4 billion students worldwide are staying home because of the coronavirus. This means that 82% of students worldwide, from kindergarten through graduate school, are now at home or isolated from campuses. Many of these students will be using mobile devices to access online classes, especially in rural areas of the United States where a quarter of homes do not have reliable broadband internet. These students and others without internet access will be using mobile devices to complete their schoolwork. A 2018 report from Learning House found that 44% of online university students use their mobile devices to interact with the university's learning management system, 41% use mobile devices for research, 40% complete assignments on a mobile device, and 1/3 use a phone or tablet to access video lectures. Less is more when designing for mobile learners, because we need to reduce cognitive load. Online learners have to read, watch, and write way more when they go online than they do in a face-to-face classroom. Humans process information through dual channels, one visual and one auditory. Our ability to process through both channels at one time is very limited. Text, images, and animations in videos and synchronous meetings compete with narration and other sounds for the learner's attention. Students might also share mobile devices and internet access with others in the home. Those students with no or limited internet access may be working primarily on mobile devices with data plans. These data plans will exceed their limit when used for multiple classes, costing students more money and making them less likely to log into your class. Reducing cognitive load when producing online videos or hosting online synchronous meetings requires that you limit information, adding only what is necessary to direct your learner's attention. In slide 2 of this presentation, for example, I singled out information from the previous slide to emphasize the key point learners should remember. Viewers can quickly read the important information on the slide while listening to the narration, without the visual and audio channels competing with each other. Students who are tempted to tune out in the face-to-face classroom will have many more reasons to tune out at home. Avoid busy backgrounds for synchronous sessions where students are learning content. Focus on emphasizing key points and answering questions rather than lecturing. The images in this presentation have been carefully selected to reinforce the message. Visuals in videos and presentations should include only images that will help learners remember the main points better. Don't add clip art just so the slide has a colorful visual. Chunk information into smaller units. A good example of effective chunking we use every day is a phone number. The same concept works with videos and slide presentations. For example, chunk each step of a process on a separate slide instead of adding all steps to one slide. Making multiple slides both avoids clutter and helps reduce learners' cognitive load. Designing assignments and instructional materials that need less internet or data access will also help students learn more, not just do more. Avoid adding more work to a class to make up for lost class time. Instead, think about how students can meet learning outcomes with fewer assignments or activities, especially written or video assignments. Just as chunking text reduces cognitive load, limiting synchronous activities reduces data consumption. Use synchronous meetings only for necessary class activities like office hours or discussions. Longer lectures or content should be chunked into 5 to 10-minute videos that can be downloaded and accessed offline. 40% of online students use mobile devices to complete assignments. Video project assignments should be less than 3 minutes long, which reduces production and upload time. You can help students who compose written assignments with voice-to-text applications by removing complicated formatting requirements from your writing assignments. For more helpful tips and resources, visit the Macmillan English Community website or visit Macmillan Learning online.